Well, I'm out here in the cornfield and I'm going to spray my corn for earworms. And so here's what I've got. I've got some Liquid Sevin, 1 ounce in a quart. And what you do is just spray the silks. That's where they're going to enter. The ear is on the silks. I'll give the silks a good squirt. Some of the silks hadn't come out yet. But the ones that are out, as soon as they come out, those earworms just might start attacking. I've raised some good corn in the past, but I've always had earworms unless I really took care to doctor them a little bit. Now, if some of you are organic and would rather use an organic solution, I can tell you what, I can't tell you necessarily that it works great, but I've heard it does, and that is on each silk, drop 4 or 5 drops of mineral oil. And the old timers swear by that, the old farmers. They say it definitely works. I don't know. I've got some really nice corn, and I don't want to take that chance, so I'm using Sevin on everything that I see silk on. So I'm just walking down the rows and doing that. Trying to keep the corn earworms out. Again, Sevin, this is Liquid Sevin. You can dust. In fact, I did come through here about a week ago and with a little duster, hand crank duster thing I bought years ago, and dusted them. And we've had shortly after that we had a good rain, so I didn't know how much of it actually stuck around, literally stuck around. Okay, I want to show you this, out here spraying my corn. That, my friends, is an earworm. So they're already here. Now that silk has been around. It's already starting to turn a little bit, not solid green. It's already been around for a while, and you need to spray with the Sevin or something as soon as you see the silks. That tells you right there, because that ear ain't near filled out. That's not even an inch in diameter, and it's already got a worm looking for it. So hopefully, I won't step on that one, but hopefully this Sevin is going to get them. Even the ones that have been here, the silks that have been here for a while. Again, as soon as you see the silks appearing, start with whatever treatment it is you're going to use to get that corn earworm. Again, I found a worm, so they're here. So hopefully if there's a worm in some of these ears and I spray it, that Sevin will go down in there and kill it anyway, or run it off or something. So could be a wait a little late on something. See, that one's kind of purple. It could very well be that he's got a worm in it. So I hit him a little harder than I did the rest of them. Corn earworms. They will absolutely knock you out if you don't knock them out. So get after them. That's what I'm trying to do. I mixed up a quart of this. My patch is about 40 by 50, 30 by 50 maybe. And no telling how many plants are in it, but they're about a foot apart, so I've got 7 rows, let's put it that way, 7 50-foot rows. So hopefully get quite a bit of corn out of this. Anyway, kill your worms, kill your earworms. If you don't know what that is, don't wait and find out the hard way. All right, I got to keep going. Got a little bit more to go. All right, we're gone.